To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. A conditional is a type of sentence that is made up of an if clause, this is the condition, and a main clause, this is the result. A conditional describes the result of a certain condition. So essentially, it describes the result of a situation that might happen or might have happened. The sentence usually starts with if or when. The if clause can be the first or the second part of the sentence. There are 5 types of conditionals in English: zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, third conditional, and mixed conditional. Third conditional. This conditional refers to a situation that didn't happen. It can be used to express regret or hindsight. The structure is if plus the past perfect for the condition, and for the main clause the structure is would have plus the past participle. For example, if I had known, I would have called. This situation didn't happen, but looking back, if I had known, then I would have called. The if clause comes first, followed by the main clause. The if clause follows the structure if plus the past perfect, and the main clause follows the structure would have and the past participle. If you had asked, I would have helped you. Again, this situation didn't happen, but in hindsight, if you had asked, I would have helped you. The if clause comes first, followed by the main clause. The if clause follows the structure if and the past perfect, and the main clause follows the structure would have plus the past participle. If it had rained, the plants would have grown. Again, this situation didn't happen. The if clause comes first, followed by the main clause. The if clause follows the structure if plus the past perfect, and the main clause follows the structure would have plus the past participle.